Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 26th of July 2024. Although this is the end of the week, but I'm still covering the price action here. It will be a quick recap of what happened during the week and what we are expecting in the next week. So, first to introduce myself, my name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukascopy. I'm not their employee. I'm just using their YouTube platform to showcase my own analysis, and I'll be covering the price action for forex major currencies and their pairs, and also a few commodities like Brent crude oil and bullions like gold. Okay, so as a technical analyst, I know that each and every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so I will refrain from talking about anything that is in the news or analysis. Okay, so for this program we'll be using the candlestick type of charts, and uh, if you have no knowledge of the candlesticks, maybe you want to go through first what is a candlestick. Okay, now lastly, everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge purpose. Please do your own research before you put your money on the real accounts, and don't trade based on this webinar. Please understand it. If you want to trade, you can trade in the demo, but in the live you cannot trade. Okay, now before I begin, I must show you the risk disclaimer. Please understand the risk that is associated when you're trading on the margin money. You can pause the video here if you want. Once you are ready, you have understood all the risk, then only proceed to the charts. Right now, what you can see on your screen is the daily chart of the US dollar index. This is the JForex 4 platform. This is the JForex version 4.4.3, JForex API version 4.4.3. Okay, now this is the daily chart of the US dollar, and we can see that here the price on day before yesterday and before that has breached this uh, high that the price had made, and after that, okay, if I show you this candle, after this breach the price went higher and even went lower, but then closed over here. Yesterday it went lower and closed here. Today it tried to go higher but could not go higher. Now what is it suggesting? That the market structure is up, it has shifted, but it is trying to retest, I think 50% or maybe 60%. I have told you yesterday 68.2% is what I am looking for. Once it retests that level, it should go higher. This is what is intended price action from the US dollar. Will it do so? We are not sure. Okay, right now it is in between. We are not sure right now. But yes, we are expecting a price leg higher. Above 104.22, I'll be very sure that the price is headed higher. Okay, right now I'm not so sure. I'm expecting a retracement so that dollar is cheap for someone to buy, and then he will push the price higher by buying. Here in the case of pound, the price is trying to go higher, but it will find some resistance, I think, below these 1.2893 areas. Although if on the lower time frame, if you see clearly, there is a breakout to the upside, but that breakout will be confirmed, I think, tomorrow or day after only, not right now. On the 4 hour, you can see that there are bullish engulfings. On the 1 hour, you can see that this downtrending channel is broken. Thereafter there is a shift in the market structure on the hourly, but this is not a buying criteria. Now if you spread the channel to this side, you will see that it is still inside that. So you want a brisk movement to the upside, like this. Oh, I'm sorry, where is my pencil? Okay, here. So you want a sharp move like this, and then you want it to come like this. This is what you need. Okay, you don't want it to go slowly. No, it should be like this. So where is the potential target for this market? 1.3044 is the target on the upside once it breaches this channel on the upside. What is euro doing? Well, euro is doing very nice now. 1.0852 should act as a support after today's closing higher than this. It should start acting as a support. On the 1 hour, I am definitely sure that the price is going higher. But what are the levels that you want to keep an eye on? On the upside, this 1.09018, actually not this one, but this one, 1.0902 area, thereafter these highs, and ultimately this 1.0942. So these are the areas that you want to keep an eye on to the upside. Okay, for some reason if the price starts falling from here, then 1.0805 will be the target to the downside. Australian dollar, well, we closed the day below this channel and now we are trying to go inside. I think we will not be able to go inside and we'll find resistance around 0.6577. Well, the lower level is at 0.6465. This is the support area from where the price can go up. And on the upside, I think 0.6620 will be a very strong resistance for the price. Talking about the New Zealand dollar, it is not showing any sign of buying here. So yesterday we closed lower than this pricing trend line. So there is a possibility that the price will slowly and slowly inch towards this area, or maybe after rejection from this 0.85852 it can go here. But yes, there is ultimately the price is going to go to the lower prices, that is around 0.5774 is what is expected in this direction. USD CHF, very nice price action. Yesterday we closed the day below 0.8827. Now 0.8730 is exposed. It's only a matter of time when the price comes back again within this fair value gap and get rejected. It's only a matter of time. Price will go into it, get rejected, boom. We will see lower prices. What are the lower prices? 0.8730. What about the USD CAD? Did we talk about it that it is going to go higher? Well, yes. What are the targets? We have not named them, but 1.3978. This is the minimum that the price should go, as it is showing the strength right now. Okay, so we can target this level on the upside, but today and even yesterday the price failed to manage a close above. So there is a possibility of a pullback. There is a possibility of pullback like this and then a break like this. Okay, so this is what is possible right now. All right, what about the USD JPY? Okay, we talked about it yesterday. There is a possibility. Okay, the price has already reached the fair value gap and got rejected. So guys, tomorrow or maybe next week, the bearish price action is what is expected out of it. What is the potential resistance? 154.54. Actually, this is 155.37 can also be reached. I'm not saying that it will be reached. It has also already dipped into that fair value gap. If it is done right now, like in last few hours, then it will even be more strong. Yeah, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So today only it has happened. So yes, there's a possibility of going lower and lower, and there is a fair value gap here also. So guys, there are multiple reasons for us to go and sell this market. All right, now if I go to the daily, you will see that this fair value gap has rejected the price, this fair value gap has rejected the price. So there are multiple reasons for us to become sellers here, and the price is getting rejected. New Zealand CAD, very nice price action. Next target 0.8087, upside resistance, potential resistance 0.8201. That's okay. And this is now swing pivot 0.82618. If it is broken to the upside, then we will start looking for the buying. Otherwise, no buying. Bitcoin, finally, it has shown you what it is going to do. Did we talk about it? That this is an order block, the price can reach for this, but no, it traded the fair value gap, boom, 68,516, 71,994. This is the next week target, guys. Next week target is 71,994 in the Bitcoin. To what extent it can go? 63 to 67 minimum. If it breaks below 63 to 67, then we will start looking for the selling opportunities. Brent crude, we are sellers on this from a long time. After looking at this bullish pin bar and engulfing, I asked my friends to sell their positions if they're buy their positions back if they're shorted. But this price action is suggesting more downside. But see how the fair value gap here is rejecting the price, and the bodies are respecting that. So it means next week the crude oil is going back towards 83.74 for sure. Now this is demo only, okay guys, don't open your position, just observe the price action. Gold is going to go south. Well, it got rejected at 2391. So what is expected now? It is expected to go to 2349. Don't believe me? Go to 1 hour. Okay, it is getting rejected here. Go to 1 hour. Boom, boom, boom. 2349 is the next target, guys, on this one. Japanese index, we expected this down move. Now there's a fair value gap. If the price goes from here, then this fair value gap will be respected. But I think From here only the price will start going down, and it is not looking good actually. Nikkei is not looking good. I think after certain move higher it should go down. So 39,441, I think you should keep your price at this resistance level. Okay, this previous lows should start acting as a resistance. Euro JPY, it is still a sell on the rise. It has also traded the fair value gap and is getting rejected. 164.02 is the target on the downside. GBPOD, boom, 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 boom. So any retracement should be a buying opportunity with the target of 1.9968. CHF JPY also is a sell on the rise. It has also traded the fair value gap yesterday and even today. So expect lower prices 173.19 and 170.80 in this market. Or in New Zealand, upside target of 1.1177. Like I said, that next week it is possible on this market. Gas is headed lower. 2.018 is the target. Below that, it can reach for 1.911. That's it. On the upside, you should expect this to act as a resistance. Not this now. You should expect this to act as a resistance now. EuroCAD. Oh my God. We are buyers in the EuroCAD. Well. Where is my friend? So we expected the price to bounce from here. No, it bounced from here and boom, boom, boom. Never came back. So guys, more or less whatever we had thought, that is okay. That is being done. So next week targets and resistance and supports, now you are aware. So I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels. That will be of interest in the coming hours and in the coming days. Just remember my one thing, okay? I cannot stress it more. This is the ultimate objective of any trader. Just risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade. Okay, the trades will keep coming. Do not go all in. Remember to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. Okay, with this note, I will end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find it useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And if you are new, please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. I wish you a happy and a good weekend. Thanks for watching. See you again next week, 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.